What is up, guys? This is the AM Trader. Up since 2 o'clock. A little bit of research here and there. But yeah, just kind of like a small recap from yesterday. I did a recap yesterday at the end of the live stream, but I also traded after I finished done recording streaming. I did traded FCUV right after I ended. So here's my result from yesterday. Of course, 100% winning rate. Traded GBS, BBIG is all about the day, and right after I ended around 11 o'clock, I traded FCUV because I saw that this thing was going to 300. Like right after I left, it was only 150%, something like that, and I was not paying attention to FCUV until at the end of the stream. And so with FCUV, traded 4 times. Let's see, yeah, I traded here before I went to nap, and then I started seeing that it was going downward, so I went to sleep. But then
be patient.
But then after a nap, I started going back up, so trade again. But anyway, it's my monthly recap there, monthly stats. So here's the FCUV trade. Take a look at that real quick. So here has been trending. Right here is when I said, oh man, I don't want to trade it because it's way too high already. Jumping from 570, 70 all the way to 150% basically. And when it dropped about what, 50% of that, something like that, right? 30%, 35%. So I wasn't interested in it, so I left it. And right after I finished my streaming, is 11 a.m. Eastern time and 9 o'clock my time, I saw this thing still gapping up, still going up. So got in right here. I knew that it was too high. I was like, okay, this is way too high, but I'm gonna trade it anyway. So I traded right here. Didn't take my gain here. Dropped, halted. I added more here. I got filled right before it halted going up, and so when it went up, I sold it right there. Only with 5% of my account, my buying power. And then I went to NEP. So I saw this drop. I was like, forget it. This is done. Thought it was done. Woke up. This thing started bouncing again. I'm like, what the? Okay, right as it broke that that high, previous high here. I was like, okay, I'm in. Thinking of getting in. So I got in right here at around 1887 here, and sold it right here, thinking I was done because I said that it was not it's not much momentum. So it dropped. Then I saw this going up. I got FOMO, and again at 2196. What happened here? I bought more, thinking I was gonna rip and maybe anticipation of breaking that high right there, and it didn't. So I was like, okay, fine, I'll just sell it. Momentum started slowing down there, because usually, you know, when you see momentum, you see buyers just buying through the ask, buy. But right at 22 area there is a stalemate. It's a stalemate where buyers doesn't want to buy the bid, the ask, and asks sellers doesn't want to sell the bid. And so when I saw that, I just sold it. That was my position there. And then it dropped. I added here. I bought here with just 4 shares because I was aiming for $150 to close the day. So right when it closed, right when I got $150, I sold it, and I'm done. I was like, nope, I'm done. I'm not gonna be greedy. But of course, at the end of the day, after hour, this thing jumped up again. I was surprised because I was taking my kids to park, or at the park, just playing around. But it jumped 70%, 5%. So that was crazy. Anyway, so that was my trade on FCUV yesterday. Sorry that I didn't get stream that. I actually wanted to see how I did it, study it. But yeah, total profit there 151 there. So not bad. Yeah, those are my stats. Market 89%. Let's look at what I'm looking at today. Today I am watching SPRT. SPRT kind of like seeing that it wants to make momentum here. Right, it's been dropping hard, so it may be the time where it needs to bounce back up. But I don't know. Right now the movement's not that great. We're still watching it. I'm also watching FCUV, of course. Right, FCUV right here. So this has gone up just today, gone up from $3 all the way to. So it needs to drop down. It's touching the yellow line here. It's the 78.6% Fibonacci, and now it's bouncing back up. So we'll see. We'll see how it's gonna work. PSTV going up. Watching this right now. TV. Break. I'm getting in. I was anticipating the break for 234, but it didn't break. So still watching. Now 232, huge resistance there, but we'll see. I'm only in with about 2%, I think. Half something. Watching for that bounce on VWAP here. And there's that bounce, that break. New high, 237. Come on, still want to go. I know you still want to go. Still want to. Come on, aim for about $20 maybe. If it ripped, that's great. Oh, big sellers there. Big buyers. Still go 237. Can we break 237? Nope, I'm selling. Oh, it did. Oh man, you saw that the bid we're getting sold off. I mean bought off or sold off, and so that's why I was. Oh man, sheesh. You guys saw that number just dropping down, and so I was thinking that it was gonna drop, and so I was you know, slightly intimidated. So when I saw that 20,000 buyers getting bought off, I just like forget it, I'm out. I'm gonna reset here. My buying power today is 13,000. 13,500. But I just used up $500, about $400 on that trade. So I will facing down. Sorry, I'm eating breakfast. Live streaming, man. Streaming. I have a live streamer. Now I'm watching this just for a move to break that 240. However, I see a lot of sellers. I'm not crazy about this. Again, this is pre-market. There's no stop loss. Stop loss. UV, it looks like it's gonna rebound here. I'm looking for this break at $26 there. TV. FCUV still not breaking, watching that $26 area, and PSTV is kind of downhill now, but it's still on a watch. What else? BBIG, I don't know. Percent gain there. I bought it at 232. It's not bad. Made about 4% there too, but got freaked out, so sold it a little sooner on a PSTV. 5 instead. So 32 to 35. That's percent. Okay, that's about 1%, 1.5%. But I didn't like the price action there on PSTV. All right, CUV still going down. Still watching for anything that has a potential. But I will be looking at PSTV right now just because volume is at 1 million. FCUV's volume is only about 800,000. So PSTV is getting a lot of attention right now. Same thing with TLSA. CEI. Let me take CEI. Probably change this one. Okay. I don't like the shares amount. 1,000. Try to keep everything 100,000. I do trade. And what I don't like about CEI as well is that it's below dollar, so I'm not too interested in anything. So I'll change this to APDN instead. I've traded APDN before. I've lost a lot of money on this, but APDN. Let's switch to. Let's maximize this to years. So you guys can see there are times where it's gone volatile, right? Like this one, for instance. Yeah, 200% just within a couple of days. So the chance of it gap up is certainly, there's a lot of times where it gaps up. So I like it. So I'll be watching this. Here's where I lost money here. Got in at 1070, sold it at 970, so that's huge loss. But I know that this has gapped up before, gapped up quite hard, so it's on a watch list. Let's see, let's go back to 5 days, 5 minutes chart. IG looks okay. BBIG is creating higher lows, so okay. Got PSTV dropping. I want to see the Fibonacci here. It touched the 25. I mean 50%. It's right, 50% there. It's 50% BS. 50% from this gap here to here. Right there, it's bouncing. Great area to get in if it's interested. So see. Good buys. Kind of interested. See. Ah, I thought I was gonna get into 24, but got into 25 instead. Not 5%. I'm not getting in with 5%. Just watching the price action, see if it's a and there's a 10,000 buyers there. But if it drops, it's gonna sell it. Okay. Buyers getting in. Now that's second time. Second time it's trying to go up. It's not going up. So I need to start thinking of selling here. Ah, that doesn't look good. I'm selling it. Ah, too late. Okay, that was late. That was late. That wasn't my fault. So the high of that was 28. Oh, sorry, didn't vision. I want this to drop lower to 19 perhaps. Okay. You want to go lower? Been to 15 would be better. I think I'm gonna raise it up to 220 here. I'm holding my mouse. Ah. Excuse me. I don't want to buy above 2. If I do want to buy it, I want to buy it 215 or 220 area. FCUV is dropping quite hard. And get me filled. Buyers there is getting 10,000. 1,000 buyers. The high of this candle was 228, so I'll sell it around there. It doesn't seem like there's a momentum right now. Either 228 or the just 228. If it breaks 228, the target next target is 230. But I need to see that buying, this thing's getting taken out, the fast getting taken out fast, and it needs to be fast. Reckon? Check this. See how weak that is? You can see the candle. Yeah, I know that I have a lot of lines. Those lines are, to me, it's important. I know what they mean. Yeah, it's a lot of clutter. But to me, I can see, okay, it's my 1% gain, 2%, 4%. It's 1% loss, or 0.5% loss, 1%, 2%. This is my VWAP up here. This is my -1 standard deviation VWAP, off of VWAP. See that? This is my second standard deviation, -2 standard deviation. And this line right here tells me the trend that's going here is reversing. Hoping that it continues. 1 minute just looks good. It might continue. BBIG just is moving. BBIG is there, maybe. That's a pretty good movement. % move. But I am watching PSTV. Waiting for PSTV to rip above 228. If it rips, good. Oh, just broke 228. There it is. Target next target is 234. But I'm watching this price action and that wasn't good. That was not good. Oh, that was good. Son of a man. You tricked me. You tricked me, market makers. Yeah, market makers got me. Oh, wow. Wow. I'm getting FOMO right here. Getting FOMO. FOMO. I'm getting FOMO now. I mean, with the 100 share. Of course, it's dropping now. Man, see how it went up to 233. Very close to that. +1 standard deviation there. Each SAR at 230. That's probably the guy that pumped it up. 40,000 shares. Now he's selling. And now I'm holding. It's creating a higher low. We'll see, we will see. $23. Man, I wanted to drop real quick and bounce back up. We'll see. I'll just go without me. I could go in with 5,000 shares on this stock, but why would I do? It's not smart. That's not good money management. Not intending to. You see this? This is a very good entry. However, and beautiful exit. Yes, I saw the sellers. Nope. Yeah. Of course, he ripped above because hidden buyer just walked in and stepped in and bought all the masks, and got FOMO. That 234 was gonna break. Thank you, Alexa. Okay, it's dropping. I might cancel this because it's breaking that trend line. I want to get in better area. So can it hold this area here? Or it's gonna rip below. Don't let me in. Buying over here. SQBG is ripping. Target to 30. I'm watching for the rip. If it does rip, I'll get out to 35. But if it doesn't, probably get out to 30. SQBG. Okay. Getting FOMO on SQBG. I just had to take my loss here. Loss of the day. Oh, come on. BG dropped hard there. 810? 12 to 7, 8. It's SQBG, by the way, not QBG. It seems like my mic setting or filter, whatever this is, cutting the first couple of seconds, the first second of my voice. So it sounded like QBG. SQBG is popping back up. I really want to go to SQB. Today it's a very busy day. I have an appointment today, so I'll be out around probably for the just like every day for 7 o'clock my time, which is 9 Eastern time. So this is holding up, creating higher lows. I'm holding this, anticipating for that break. My average, hopefully, go for 230. If it goes up higher, 33 would be nice. There we go. $10. Yeah, I'm selling there. It's gonna rip, but $17. It's not bad. Ah, I should have held longer. Should have held longer. Damn, now it's making me. Oh my gosh. This is not good. This is not good, guys. Not good. This is not good. FOMO is real, man. FOMO is real. Fear of missing out is not. Ugh. Crazy FOMO, man. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Man, I got a big FOMO there. Dang. If I could add there. Probably not that great. Add. I knew it too. Like I knew I shouldn't have sold it, but I was just freaking out because it did before. Come on, just break it. Can we see 240? D1, can we see? This is a FOMO play, guys. This is not good because you're wasting your money. Pretty much. You're wasting your equity. Not good. FOMO play is always never good. Always. Yeah, especially when you're on cash account, not a margin account. You cannot go back in and out, you know. It's no good. Be nice if it breaks that 242. 242 high there. Makes that'd be great. Yeah. It's not holding up real well. You tried it twice, I think. Dropping now. I'm not gonna average down right here too soon. Average down. I'll average down around VWAP area there. VWAP is 230. Now we're touching the plus standard deviation, which could be a strong resistance. Let's go, man. good, you know, kind of like a bull flag pattern, right? If you look at the 5 minutes, that's a bull flag-ish. And so when this is high or low, volume is above standard deviation, and of course the MA is good because the MA is above faster MA is above the slower MA. But I don't know. STV is only 12 million shares. This thing can rip anytime it wants and can drop anytime it wants. It's trying to break it. But then again, this could be a double top. Volume is at 3 million. Come on, man, just break it. You know you want to break it, just go, man. People can see my sell limit here. They know the target is going to be 250 there. No, nobody wants it. Nobody wants it. Here's a bull flag. 22,000. 22,000. 1,000 sellers are there at 230. Right at my average. You know. Let me cancel this real quick. Oh man. 20,000 buyers there at 234. 12,000 at 235. Just getting in. Getting in. What I know is because, you know, if you bought in right here, you have to average down right here, and there's a chance that, you know, your average should be right down here unless you average up. So yeah, 238 could be a good mental area where people would average. I mean, I have no idea what I'm doing, but seems like they always don't want my average, don't want to pass my average. Come on. Come on. Million volume, 3.4 million. Come on. It's huge resistance. What's going on? Like all the sellers just want to sell at 238. Here we go, here we go. I feel like I just want to sell it because I don't want to, you know, because it's been hard trying to break it. But yeah, selling it right there. Selling it right there. $32. Not bad. See that? Exactly where I targeted, right? Or close by. Might be a FOMO here. Oh, he broke. Broke. Nice work, guys. Bull flag pattern, of course. Now this is for sure. This is a bull flag pattern because it's not a double top anymore. Not FOMO. 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 No fearing out. Fear of missing out. No FOMO, please. Okay. PSTV is still much right now. FCUV is dropping quite hard. That's it. That's all I'm seeing right now. There's a good entry point right here. Never mind. Fake one. Okay. Never mind. They was just gonna go. There was a buyer here, and then the sellers was getting eaten up. Okay, second try. Big buyer here. Just again selling, or whoever was selling. I also have my Fibonacci. See the lines here, dashed, straight dash line horizontally. It's Fibonacci. You can see the number up here. Right. This is the high, 247, with the color that match. That shows that this line is the high. The white line is the 50%. It's dark red. See that right there. So golden ratio is right here. There's the 61.8%. But of course this is based on the chart, and based on the chart that I have right now is 1 day 1 minute. So about the day, about 1 day 1 minute chart will measure the high and the low, and it creates the Fibonacci retracement from low to high, high to low, whatever, and it'll give me that numbers up here. And so this is it's one of a free indicator that's available online, but I chose to edit it myself so that I can be able to see all this. But it's a really good indicator for me. Like every line is a good support and resistant line. You guys can see it right here. It doesn't want to break that line, but once it broke, it becomes the new support. That was a resistant, right? You see that resistant, and once it broke, it becomes support, bouncing back up. Want to get in, you could have gotten right there. Of course, VWAP is the other indicator that I like, and VWAP I just added the first standard deviation out of V, second standard deviation, right there. So the first one is right there, second one's right there. There's the Fibonacci, I mean the VWAP exact median. I don't know what you call it, regular VWAP. Yeah, I like that indicator as well. What else do I have? Also have the high-low. I can tell that in this candle, the high is 237. 237. Oh wait, this is not. Yeah, I don't know. Yeah, sometimes this indicator, this high and low indicator, does not work very well on pre-market. But I do have it. The previous high is 237. So once I see that, okay, it breaks 237, I can be able to see that clearly. Previous high, previous low, and here is the indicator that would tell me, the moving average is dropping now. So it's creating a, what is it? A higher low. So it would tell me, it would show me in red saying it's downtrending right now. And so it really helps me. Again, this is my preferences. Yeah, and of course you can see the background. The background is red. Red is because of this line right here. So once this line start turning red, change the background, and it would tell me that, hey, this is downtrending. So better be careful. Get out. And of course right here is green because it's an upward trend, kind of. Low is right here at 182. So once it breaks that 182, then yeah, the uptrending is done. So that's the indicator that I'm watching. What else? What else is moving today? PSTV, I like it because of the 4 million volume that it has right now. For 5 million, you can see it right here. With 12 million shares, this thing can jump up like crazy and up like crazy again. Not to be a broken record and all, but FCUV is dropping quite hard. It broke trend line. Let me it's my Fibonacci here. So if you do Fibonacci retracement from this low to this high, you can see that it will bounce around that golden area there, bounce there, but now it's broken it. So next target is probably 1967 area. Buy, like don't buy right now. Buy maybe at 1967, or just wait for this support line. Right? Support. PSTV. Nope, never mind. I was gonna say like, oh, PSTV may be holding strong here. Might go back up, but it's broke the trend line, meaning it is indicator. It's, not indicator, but it is strong reason that it's downtrending. Right there. Now I want to watch this. If it drops below 50, good area to add in right here is to 11 area. I do short when I have margin. I've lost a lot, but when I had margin, it was fun because I can short and long at the same time. Let's see, BBG. BIG is gonna make a move. SQBG is bouncing back up. Chance of going up to 7%. Percentage wise, I do like FCUV. Because it does make what, 11% easy. But right now FCUV is downtrending, so I'm not gonna get in yet. I see a good indicator that is bouncing back up. How it's bouncing on that Fibonacci line there. If I take this Fibonacci out, see that's bouncing right there. This is based on the 5 days, 5 minutes. BBIG seems like it has a chance here. Let's see. It's only gonna give me a little amount. SPRT, if it does break, maybe about 6%. But I do like FCUV. STV, if it goes back to 7%, maybe 7%. GSM, look at GSM, and GSM, been about 11%. %, and it dropped 8%. ETV, nah. Watching SKBG right now. See if there's any potential spikes. Excuse me. With SQBG, I'm not too crazy about this spread. Spread is annoying. You can buy down up here, right? Buy the ask, but you can drop hard. So I like PSTV because PSTV is the most active right now. And look at the volume. Volume is already 6 million. Could recycle the volume pretty soon. Recycle as in up 12 million. I'm not surprised if it's bounce up. Bell, which is 9:30 Eastern time. Well, let's look at the news on PSTV. So I'm a momentum trader. You look at news, but yeah, I just go based on the movement of the stock. However, sometimes I do look at the are PSTV. Reason why it goes up. News at 5 a.m. here. Plus Therapeutics announces commercial manufacturing supply agreement for its lead investigational the healthcare sector. Radiomedics Inc. is key manufactured. Austin, Texas. And Austin, Texas right now is what time? It's around time at 6, so around 7 o'clock right now. So okay. What's good about this news though? A US clinical stage pharmaceutical company developing an innovative targeted radiotherapy therapeutics for rare and difficult to treat cancers. Okay. They announced that it has entered into an agreement with Radiomedics for the commercial production of the company's radiopharmaceuticals. Radiomedics is a global leader in the development of the production of GMP radiopharmaceutical products, said Mark Hedrick, President Chief Officers of Plus Therapeutics. This strategic partnership substantial supports our efforts to have fully aligned. So there's partnership. Okay, that's all I need to know. It's a partnership going on with TV, which is not a bad news, not a great news as well. So maybe like a 1-star news, 1-2 stars. Let's look at CHPT. $24, 321 million shares. Not that excited. The great thing about trading large shares, over 100 million shares, is that it's very consistent, and so you'll see a consistent upper trend. There's not a lot of the manipulating, up, drop, hard, and up, like that, like what you see on FCUV yesterday. So that's a good thing about larger, like those bigger ones like Tesla and or Amazon, right? Like that's very clear. Like you can see it's an upward trend or downtrend, so you're not gonna be able to miss it. Here's Tesla, 730. 1 billion shares, so yeah, it's huge now. Amazon at 506 million. It's only have 506 million shares. It's interesting. About 9%. Sorry, I guess I'm not seeing it. 9.9% gap up since a couple of weeks ago, a week ago maybe. So yeah, it's it's very, like, you can basically see it. I mean, this is, I don't know what's going on here, but that's a crazy drop on Amazon. Facebook, 2 billion shares available. It's an upward trend, you see. So you could basically just put your money anywhere. It's still gonna go up. Average down whenever you need to. I've been thinking of doing that, for bigger, because my wife has been trying to convince me to trade an upper trending stocks like Facebook and Depot, those, whatever. But I don't know, like maybe I'll try to get in with 5% maybe of my equity, or 1% of my equity. If it drops, 7%, 8%, I'll add another 1%. Just continue from there. But yeah, not that interested though. Like, because 1% I can only make what? 1% of my equity. I do make about 5, 6, 8%, 10% over a month. That's not much. Unless you go in all in with your money, that's gambling. You go all in. It's dangerous. It's dangerous. Let's go back to PSTV. It's holding pretty well. When you go all in with your money on, say, Facebook or anything like that, you cannot average down. You cannot bring your average down a little bit lower, where you can get out, a certain amount gain. But I mean, that's gonna take weeks, months, long time. So yeah, not interested. Like, I can do 1-2% every minute on penny stocks. Like look at yesterday, right? Yesterday, this trade that 5%, 6 minutes, 6%, in 12 minutes. Like, you don't do this with Tesla or whatever. I mean, sometimes it does that, but that was back in the days, you know. Nowadays, it's not like that anymore. Anything else going? Nothing much is going on right now. I'm about to go to sleep, man. It's almost. What time is it? 6 o'clock. Oh man. SQBG is trying to recover. FCUV, it's below RSI, below 30% RSI, so maybe a good area to buy. Not too convinced. It's 6 o'clock, so I'm gonna have to wake up my daughter here. She has to leave right at 7-ish. My PHA just, never mind. My PHA just dropped hard. I kept telling her to wake up at 5 o'clock or 5:30. My daughter is a hard sleeper. Is there gonna be a bounce on IPHA? We'll see. B95, 70. Everything's dropping hard. So I'm guessing during intraday is gonna be a nice one. Right at the bell, things gonna recover and something's gonna go crazy. This is fall season, and so fall season sometimes it's typically great season for stock traders because a lot of stocks has a chance of going crazy because, you know, Black Friday and holiday season. See a lot of electronics and technology sector, but yeah. PSTV is what worth watching right now. TV is worth watching. So far, I've gained about 2% from the money that I've used. Buying power right now is at 12,000. Mm-hmm. I changed IPDN and put IPHA in there. Why? Because IPHA has dropped pretty hard. Has a chance to go back. I'll hit at least 85% there. If you do Fibonacci here to here, Fibonacci is about 7.99. So at least 7.99, $8 area. Up to $8. That's about 50%. 50% gain. So IPHA is worth watching. $31 million volume. Made it. 10,000. It's crazy. CHPT. Fixing some trend lines here. I do like the drop on FCUV. HA really has a chance to make a move intraday. I'm in on FCUV. Watching for the drop here. Okay, never mind. Got filled. In with about 5%. Gonna see if I could get a fill right here at 2037. Nope. Still. Right. Target. Let's talk about targets here. Targets right there. About $22. Drop. The high on that candle was 21.5. I'm gonna let it run for a little bit here. In break 21.45. No, it does not. Thinking of adding here. An upper trend. Higher lows. And target the VWAP there. Up at 2361. See if we can get here. Go to 2361. If not, I'll just doesn't seem like it's strong enough. That wick is not good. $21.37. Yeah, not that great. Go. It's still an upper, high low. I'm up $38 right now. SQBG is running. Come on. Come on. If it breaks 2135, that'd be great. SQBG and worth watch stock there. SQBG jumped about 8% there. That's a nice move. This one, I got it right there. Could have made 4%, but start fading down now. Being cautious there. I want to see this going up, but right now it's questionable. Questionable. There's the jump on IPHA. IPHA is also worth watching right now. Man, I was gonna continue this SUV. And it's reverse or what? Go back up. FCUV, can we go back up or what? Come on. It's 6:33 a.m. Colorado time zone, Mountain time. Shh. And that's nasty drop, nasty drop. Spread is huge on FCUV, so I don't know. Let's just relax. Watch the direction of the market. PSTV, nice move there on PSTV. FCUV, if it holds, it can create a higher lows. Worth watching.